What you're seeing is a 1925 Ford Model T Firetruck, a LaFrance, an American LaFrance. This is as rare as they come. This is pristine condition. It's 93 years old and in amazing condition. We bring this out every year for the parades, and it is always the big crowd pleaser. The horn still works. All the parts still works. The headlights, the horn, the siren still work. Take a look. There's 3 axes, 4 water buckets, 5 fire extinguishers, a toolbox, a fire bell, a siren, searchlights, vintage antique license plates, 2 pairs of fireman boots. It's just perfect. As far as we know, we are the second owner in this town. This has been in our town, I don't want to say the name of our town, for almost 50 years. But it is kept and maintained by our fire department and our local Elks Lodge. This is an amazing classic car, still runs perfectly to this day. So excited that we have it. Let me know what you think of this. Seriously.